If you love cute animals, then you're going to flip for otters. Let's jump into why they're so awesome. Otters are like the acrobats of the animal kingdom. They use their sleek bodies to swim with grace and speed. Did you know otters hold hands while they sleep to avoid drifting apart? That's right, it's called rafting. Otters also have a playful side. They love to slide down muddy banks and play with pebbles. These little geniuses even use stones to crack open shellfish. And let's talk about their homes. Otters create cozy dens called holts near rivers and lakes. So, next time you see an otter, remember they're not just cute. They're smart, playful, and oh so clever. Otters truly are the cutest animals ever. Hit that like button if you agree, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome animal facts.